If you're thinking about using GetResponse, there are some key things you need to know before you make a decision. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 things you absolutely need to understand about GetResponse and how it compares to other email marketing tools, so you can make the best choice for your business. Now, one of the first things to consider is GetResponse's all-in-one platform. While other tools like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign are mainly focused on email marketing, GetResponse goes a step further, offering features for landing pages, webinars, marketing automation, and even e-commerce. If you're looking for something more than just an email tool, this could be a major advantage. Next thing, GetResponse has a drag-and-drop email builder, which is easy to use but also powerful enough for more advanced users. While platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit might offer something similar, GetResponse's builder is consistently praised for its user-friendly interface and customizable templates, making it ideal whether you're a beginner or more experienced marketer. The third thing you should know is about its automation features. GetResponse offers a robust automation suite, including workflows, triggers, and actions. This is one area where it shines above its competitors, like Constant Contact, which doesn't have nearly the same level of complexity in its automation options. This is crucial if you want to scale your marketing and nurture leads without having to manually send every email. Now, let's talk pricing. GetResponse offers a free plan, but the real value is in its paid tiers. When compared to competitors like ActiveCampaign or HubSpot, GetResponse's pricing is more affordable, especially considering the additional features like webinars and sales funnels. For many, the free plan will be enough to get started, but the paid tiers are definitely competitive when you compare them to similar offerings. The fifth thing to know is how GetResponse handles analytics. The platform provides in-depth reports on your email performance, including open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Compared to something like MailChimp, which has solid reporting but can be a bit basic at times, GetResponse offers more advanced tools for understanding your audience and optimizing your campaigns. Next up is GetResponse's customer support. You'll have access to 24/7 support through live chat, email, and even phone support on higher plans. This is a major plus compared to some competitors like ConvertKit, which offers support mainly through email, meaning you might be waiting longer for a response. GetResponse is known for its fast, helpful support, which can make a big difference if you run into any issues. The seventh thing you should know is about integrations. GetResponse integrates with a wide variety of tools, from e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce to CRM systems and social media channels. If you use tools outside of email marketing, GetResponse is likely to integrate seamlessly with your existing tech stack, which can save a lot of time and hassle. This sets it apart from some competitors like Constant Contact, which have more limited integrations. If you're ready to test out GetResponse for yourself, you can try it completely free from the first link in the description below. And when you sign up through that link, you'll get access to some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. To sum it up, GetResponse is an incredibly versatile tool that goes beyond just email marketing. With its all-in-one features, intuitive email builder, automation tools, and solid pricing, it offers great value, especially when you compare it to other platforms. Don't forget to click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits. Happy marketing!